Awu kodwa Nkosi yami siyothini ebantwini? Out of all the days Kaizer Chiefs yakhetha namhlanje. Yo. Awusivelelwe. Out of all the days they chose today. Yo saze sayinhlekisa muntu siyothini ebantwini? Oh Thixo wase George Gqor. Hazi Kaizer Chiefs ayinamahloni honestly. Ungadliwa i-team enocoach ongenane viki. Ayi some things nje I just too good to be true. And ubezwe bathi hey you want to finish on a high. Yi high bebayisho le performance nje. It's a good thing vele ukuthi it was the last game but ngeke. Phela le game le ubone izisuka ukuthi azizokhala especially ku that right hand side of Kaizer Chiefs. Miguel was playing like he is a wing back instead of a center back. So bobona Awu Thixo osaze savelela uNkosi siyothini ebantwini. Yo out of all the days they chose today. Kodwa Nkosi what I'm do? Tell me now. Asivelelwe. Siyochaza sithini? Pirates yawina ileague nina niyashaywa your last game by a coach ongena neviki appointiwe. Yes, what an embarrassment. Yazi, when I saw the lineup, I was happy because I saw it, okay, these youngsters are given an opportunity because there's no pressure. And you could tell it when they started, they were playing fluid football whereby it was enjoyment. Ngeke ngiqale mabaqeda ukuconcede. Kwavele kwanyiwa. Yazi, the Kaizer Chiefs have noticed one thing about it. When they are not under pressure, you can see them stringing along passes, combining, making beautiful touches. Once the opponents start to find spaces behind and start exploiting those spaces, that's where you see them. Now they crack because there's no longer that certainty. As the right hand side of Kaizer Chiefs first half, kancane uyaphuma ukwayiba uthi usabheka ukwayiba uyaphuma uFigueiredo and you couldn't understand ukuthi i-communication between uFrozen noMiguel beyikuphi because they are senior players. Yes, there were moments whereby ukuthi they were doing well. uMiguel ngimbona shaya abantu nge-step over angena phakathi aphasa but abasibukanisile nekhanda. Yazi uMazwamba had a good game. But for the fact that he conceded and the team lost that game, it counts for nothing. But we have a goalkeeper lapana. It's the future. I must say, Zanje, one thing I like about him is positioning. And his calmness on the ball. I saw. Yes, it's the last game of the season. Didn't turn out the way we wanted. But there are positives and negatives to take in this game. I think it Chiefs, one thing about them, they have to fix the mentality of the players, most of the players, including above Velepai, or Vilakazi, or Modi, if they're gonna keep him. Because Velepai is that player whereby would you want to give him credit for what he has done today, but do him Moshe Green. As today bekangayikho nini bekade alivali angene aphasa connect avule space, it's either uzo cross but ekugcineni keeping the ball unnecessary makumele aphase ufuna ukuqhubeka driving with the ball bavele bambundle off the ball. Yazi unaledo Hlongwane could have scored in the first 5 minutes. I don't know where was his concentration there. Yes. And now for the coaches, it makes it even worse for them because They would have loved to equal that record of Ernst Middendorp. But now, akusakwenzekanga. Flavio Silva didn't score the 10 goals that he wanted because he was suspended. Brendan Peterson didn't get those 15 clean sheets because he didn't start. They opted to play uMaZwamba, which is a good thing for a young player. I think he's now the youngest goalkeeper to be in goals to make debut for Kaizer Chiefs in his first season. Yes. No man. Yazi kunzima nokuchaza ngiyacabanga nje ukuthi la ngaphandle ngiyothini. Sengivele ngatshelwa nje ukuthi ongekho right abe wese. Ngihlala namabhakabhaka wodwa la endlini. Yeah. But honestly, the game I'd say ukuthi it started well for the Chiefs. But the more the game advanced, is the more Kaizer Chiefs looked like a team that didn't have a structure whereby they were no longer focused, especially at the back. Substitution ka Makati, it was forced kwangena uMsimang, of which he did well. But in the middle of the park, I'd say ukuthi uNgcobo noMaBobi bayibambile. But bekuba simple ukuthi baba break. But going forward, I won't say ukuthi the team was that smooth, because one thing, it's awareness ebeyisikahlela. Number two, being clinical in front of goal. Bartman could have scored. Hlongwane could have scored. Morris could have scored. Because Kaizer Chiefs have this tendency whereby you feel like no, this game is for us for the taking. They just do the opposite. And you look at the subs that they made, the introduction of Sereno, introduction of Chislet. Chislet uthothe with madoda. Ngeke ukuthi kunobo England kulela player. Ngeke. It's just nje ukuthi babonele ya height. There's no way. Yazi uChislet kunzima ukuthi noma fako ubone ukuthi there's an impact azoyenza. Instead uvela bomthwalo kokugcina. See, next season Kaizer Chiefs may be serious if they want to compete, because they have to win the league, because the standard is there now. If it happens Mamelodi Sundowns wins the CAF Champions League, bozimela ngani manje, because at least benokuyiduduza ukuthi hayi Pirates ayikawini next enkulu. They've won the league now. We saw the introduction of Umori. Yazi Umori ungenile, but I would have preferred ukuthi kube kuqhubeke novele bad, because he looked like a threat going forward compared to Umori. Umori yena bekangena nje ajike nebhola aphase backwards. Cross is good when it comes to defending, clearing, but crossing ayisibongo saka kasilandeli cross. I don't remember faki cross mina esebenzayo for a team. Njalo maka crosser ublast the opponent ngebhola, or ibhola lakhona liya straight kuma opponent. And ucross ufroze like yena uyawushaya ke leyo msebenzi, just nje ukuthi inside the box hayi kunzima, because positioning yabakhahlela, and also ukuba clear and intent with what you want to do with the ball. That's what I've been hearing from Mama fans. The reason why we don't rate these coaches, because there are no repeated patterns of what it seems like this is what Kaizer Chiefs wants to do with the ball on their feet. There are attacks whereby you could tell okay, this is how they play. That's why most of the time it's difficult to plan against the Kaizer Chiefs if you're an opponent, because there's always an element of a surprise. So for next season, that's what the team needs to work on in order for them to be a team that will have identity, a team that will need to preserve a culture, a team that will make things easier for themselves. But in future, when we recruit, these are the kind of players we need to recruit. These are the kind of coaches we need to recruit, because we have identity. It's shy. Kuyobonakala kona sekuqoqwa ku next season, because there's nothing much I'd say about the match. Slowly level. Nanoma ungathi uyachaza kuzwe bani.